What's good, y'all? It's your girl Deja. I'm back with another mother freaking video. So before we get into this video, guys, I just want to say that your girl bought a new laptop. Okay, let me get it out for y'all. Okay, so I have not taken it out the box yet. It is still in here and I'm super excited because if you didn't know, my laptop stopped working on me a couple days ago. I'm lying, like about 2 weeks ago, maybe a week, I don't know, but it definitely stopped working. And I had like 5 videos before this video to edit and post because even though it wasn't working, I was still recording, still doing my hair, and I was like, if I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna record, and then boom bam boom, and that's period. So basically y'all gonna get a couple videos before you see this one. So y'all probably gonna see like some pictures of my hair, but you're not gonna get this video until after those videos is posted. So yeah, I don't know, when you see this is gonna be 4 videos later. But anyway, let me let y'all know what we're doing today. Let me put this to the side. Alright, so for today's video, guys, I am coloring my hair again because you know I like to use the hair wax. This is As I Am curl color, and this color is Hot Red. Okay, is that the right way? There we go, right there. This stuff never wants to focus. Let's see. I don't know, y'all, but yes, okay, yes. Again, oh, there it is. Yes. I used to use As I Am a lot when I first started going natural, and then I kind of just stopped. And it wasn't like nothing was wrong with it, I just wanted to branch out and try different hair products, and I kind of just slipped away from that one. But when I saw that they came out with a color wax, I said, oh baby girl, I'm gonna need to get that immediately, today, right now, not tomorrow, right now. And that's exactly what I did. I said boop 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 boop, and I ordered it, and that's on period. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this in my hair. It is like 12:13. It is 12:13, y'all. I'm super tired because I just got home from work. I got home from, well, I didn't just get home from work. I got home from work around like 10 o'clock. And I got in the shower, I washed my hair, and I'm super tired because I've been at work all day. And then after this, I gotta go to sleep, wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning, go back to work again, and I'm closing. So that's fun. But let me tell y'all what I use for my hair because I know y'all don't really care about what I got going on in my personal life. Oh, all right, so for, Jesus, for my shampoo, I use Not Your Mother's Naturals curl defining shampoo, which I've used before, guys, and I feel like I use it like 3 times already in a couple videos, but it's definitely grown on me. I really do like it. It doesn't strip my hair, it doesn't feel dry after using it. Like I really do like what is going on, y'all? I really like both of these, the shampoo and the conditioner. The conditioner makes my hair feel super moisturized. It gives great slips, and baby girl, it smells amazing. So get you one, it's cheap. Really do love these products. And you already know my favorite deep conditioner, as I am, my favorite deep conditioner is Aussie. It's always giving my hair a great slip. I've used the Aussie deep conditioner since I started going natural, and I just never gave it up, honestly. I love it. It smells amazing, my hair feels amazing, the bathroom smells amazing after. I just love Aussie, it's great. And for my leave-in conditioner, I use Bella's Curls. Is it Bella's or Bella? It's Bella. Bella. I'm super tired, y'all, ignore me. I use Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. I've used this once before and that was it. It's not like I didn't like it when I first used it, because I did like it and I liked it again. It smells amazing and my curls was defined in the shower, baby. Really do like this product, and I think I got this from Dollar General, I want to say. Can't remember. But yeah, this is it, baby girl. But let me stop chatting, because like I said before, I was recording these videos and not uploading them on my laptop, so I probably don't have a lot of storage. So I'm gonna just let y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put any more product in my hair. I'm just gonna be using this by itself, and I'm gonna be combing it through with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, just so I can like distribute it evenly, because I feel like the last time when I used the curl wax last time when I used the color wax, it just wasn't distributed evenly. Even though it came out right, it just could have been better in my opinion. So that's what I'm gonna do. And before I start doing that, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, smack that bell so you become part of notification gang, and let's start putting this color in my heart. Alright guys, so I am done putting this stuff in my hair. This is what my hands look like. I would pick up my camera and show you everything. It looks like a murder scene in here right now, so we're not even about to go through all of that. But I didn't even show you guys what it looks like, the consistency and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so gross. So that's like the consistency, whatever. Pick it up for you guys so you can see. Pretty gooey. And it smells good. Like, it doesn't have a strong scent to it, but it does smell really good. Kind of like a, I don't even know. Oh, someone knows. I don't know, but it smells super good. I really need to get this off my hands, y'all. I can't even concentrate because my hands is just carry. Honestly speaking. But yeah, I'm gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna take these out on Thursday because today is Monday. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out on Thursday and we're gonna see what it look like, what it do. And I'll see y'all then. Bye. All right, y'all, so I'm back. It's Thursday. My camera decided to run out of storage on me, and I don't want to delete any videos because I haven't uploaded them to my laptop yet, because being that I have the MacBook Air now, it doesn't have the SD card port, so I can't put the SD card into the laptop. And I don't know how to get my videos from my camera to my laptop. So I am currently recording this on my phone right now, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do after. I'm gonna try to get the videos up. I was like, but my twists have to come out right now. So I kind of just whipped out my phone and I made it do what it do. Okay, because you know me, I'm gonna get it done. But let me take the twist out, y'all. If the video look a little iffy to y'all, I do apologize, okay? Like, I really apologize, but it's really nothing that I could do because I'm taking my twist out now. But yeah, let me just finish up this video and take my twist out, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Remember, boo, get your oil. Y'all know this is my favorite oil now. That's why I'm always using her. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. Love it, love it, love it. And I already know what you guys are gonna ask. What was the transfer like? Okay, so this is my hands. After taking it out, it's red. I'm gonna wash it though, and I'm gonna talk more about the style and the color after I'm done washing my hands and slicking my edges and putting on my cute little outfit. So I'm gonna be right back again. Yeah. All right, y'all, I am back, and I had to come into the sunlight for y'all so y'all could see what this thing is really looking like, okay? It's the definition for me. It's the color for me. It's the go with my skin tone for me. I am really liking this, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. What? Who am I? Who am I? I am loving this, y'all. And my hair feels amazing. It looks amazing. The definition is amazing. It's nada up there. I see no flakes. All I see is curls, definition, and color, okay? It's giving me fall. No? It's giving me fall. I don't know about you, but it's giving me fall. And you see, I did my edges. I attempted. I don't know what that is right there. It's just a little shine. But yeah, I did my edges. But that is all I got for you guys. Look, my hands are still a little red. Honestly, I would say that I feel like this is going to be harder to take out than it is with my Curls Unleashed, which y'all know I like my Curls Unleashed, but baby girl, I think I love this As I Am hair color. And I will be doing more because, who am I? Oh, yes. Thinking about maybe doing like purple next. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know what color you think I should do next, because what? Let me get a little closer to the window. Ooh, yes, baby girl. Yes. All right, let me go. But before you guys go, make sure you click that subscribe button and smack that bell so you become part of the notification gang. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.